Class 11, let us continue the chapter. We have already started some multiple angles. Exercise 7 we have started. Next, sum number 11. Part 110 is done. Next, sum number 11. We have to prove that 2 sine pi by 8 is equal to square root of 2 minus root 2. Okay. Now we will start from left hand side. 2 sine pi by 8. Okay. Okay. Now let's start from we know that sine pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. That means pi by 4 sine 45 degree equals to 1 by root 2. That we know. Okay. So this we can write as sine 2 into pi by 8. Okay. 2 4s are 8. So we can, instead of sine pi by 4, we can write sine 2 pi by 8. That means sine 2 theta formula is equal to, we can write 2 sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 is equal to 1 by root 2. Now squaring both the sides, what we will get? Right, 4 1 by 2. Okay. Now cos pi by 4, this is sine pi by 4. Again, cos pi by 4, cos 45 degree also 1 by root 2. So cos pi by 4 is this. So here we can write 2 cos square pi by 8 minus 1 is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Now 2 cos square pi by 8 is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1. That is root 2 plus 1 by root 2. That is equals to, therefore, cos square pi by 8 equals to 2 root 2. Root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. So 2 cos square pi by 8 is coming 2 root 2. Therefore, 4 sine square pi by 8 into this. Cos square pi by 8 is this. So in here we can write 4 sine square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8 means this one. Just put the value here. So root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is cos square pi by 2 is equal to half. Okay, now 2 2s are 4. These two we can cancel from both the sides. So it is coming 4 sine square pi by 8 is equal to root 2 by root 2 plus 1. Root 2 by root 2 plus 1, because these two we can cancel. So 4 sine square pi by 8 is this. Therefore 2 sine pi by 8 is equal to square root of this term. So it is coming 2 by square root of directly, okay, root 2 by root 2 plus 1. This we can write. Therefore 2 sine pi by 8 is equal to square. Now rationalize. We have to do the rationalization here. So square root of this is coming root 2 into root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. A plus b into a minus b. So it is coming root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Root 2 square means 2, 2 minus 1, that gives us 1. So it is coming square root of root 2 into root 2 minus 1. So it is coming root 2 square means 2. 2 minus root 2 under root. 2 minus root 2 under root. This is 2 sine pi by 8 is this. This only we have to prove. Okay. Therefore, 2 sine pi by 8 is equal to square root of 2 minus root 2. Proved. Okay, next sum. Section 2 we are doing. Section 2 is sums done. Next is section 3, sum number 1. Two times we have done. Next section 3, that means. Next section 2 completed. Now section 3 means 4 marks questions. Sum number 1. Question is what? Sin theta equals to minus 3 by 5 and 180 degree. Sin theta equals to minus 3 by 5 and 180 degree less than theta less than 270 degree. Find the values of sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Okay. Find sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Okay. Now, we know is equal to cos theta by 2. Now sin square this plus cos square this is 1. Okay, so this is coming 1 plus sin theta. Now sin theta value is given to us, so 1 minus 3 by 5. 5 minus 3 is 2 by 5. Okay, therefore cos theta by 2 whole square is this, so this is equal to square root of 2 by 5. Okay, plus minus square root of 2 by 5. Similarly, therefore sin theta minus cos theta by 2 whole square is this, we will get 1 minus sin theta. Okay, so here we will get 1 minus plus 3 by 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8 by 5. Therefore sin theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2 is equal to plus minus 8 by 5. 8 by 5 we keep it like this, no problem. So or we can write this as plus minus 2 square root of 2 by 5. Okay, now sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 Now let me rub this part, otherwise we have to find the value of sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, remember. Now again we know that sine theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 is equal to root 2 into 1 by root 2 sine theta by 2 plus root 2 into root 1 by root 2 cos theta by 2. Yes, we can write here this in terms of this. Okay, now if we take common root 2, then we will get 1 by root 2 sine theta by root 2. So 1 by root 2 means cos 45 degree sine theta by 2, and 1 by root 2 again, here we can write sine 45 degree cos theta by 2. Okay. Okay. Now cos A sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That means sin of A plus B. So here we can write sin theta by 2 plus 45 degree. Theta by 2 plus 45 degree. Okay. Now sin theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2. What we will get? We will get similarly sin theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2, we will get as root 2 sine theta by 2 minus 45 degree. Okay. Now 180 degree less than theta less than 270 degree. This is given to us. Okay. Therefore 90 degree less than theta by 2 less than 270 by 2, that gives us 135 degree. So theta by 2 plus 45 degree. So 90 plus 45 is then theta by 2 plus 45, 135 plus 45. How much? That is 180 degree. So this is coming 135 degree less than theta by 2 plus 45 degree less than 180 degree. Okay. Therefore, since theta by 2 plus 45 degree less than 180 degree, therefore sine theta by 2 plus 45 degree lies in the second quadrant. Therefore it is positive. All sine we know, second quadrant sine is positive. Therefore what we will take? We will take sine theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 is equal to root 2 by 5. Okay. Similarly, make it equation number 1. Similarly, 90 minus 45 less than theta by 2 minus 45 less than 135 minus 45. How much? 90 minus 45, again 45. So 45 less than theta by 2 minus 45 less than 135 minus 45, that gives us 90 degree. Okay. Therefore, from here we can theta by 2 minus 45 degree lies in the, since it is less than theta by 2 less than 90 degrees, so it is lies in the first quadrant. So lies in the first quadrant, and we know first quadrant all positive. First quadrant, therefore sine theta by 2 minus 45 degree is positive. Okay, when it is positive, therefore we will write sine theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2. Minus cos theta by 2 is equal to 2 root over 2 by 5. We have got plus minus this, so we will take here plus then 1 and 2. Now adding 1 and 2, this is equation 1, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, what we will get? 2 sine theta by 2. Very big sum. 2 sine theta by 2 is equal to root 2 by 5 plus 2 root 2 by 5. So it is coming 3 root 2 by 5. Okay, so sine theta by 2 equals to 3 root 2 by 2 by this. Therefore, sine theta by 2 is equal to 3 root 2 by 10. So 3 root 2 by 10. That means here it is coming 3 by root 10. Just do the calculation part. And 1 minus 2, doing 1 plus 2, we get this. And 1 minus 2, what we will get? We will get 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cos theta by 2 as root 2 by root 5. 3 root 2 root 5 is there. So 3 root 2 by root 5 written. Sine theta by 2 is coming 3 root 2 by 2 root 5. Directly we can write. Okay. Now to root 2 by root 5, it is coming root 2 by root 5 minus 2 root 2 by root 5. Okay. So it is coming minus 2 by root 10. So this is a very big sum. Do the sum. At first, just watch the video carefully and then try to do the sum on your own again.